Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear your Instagram search history on your phone. So first of all, open your Instagram app and make sure you are already logged into your account. So once you are on the home screen, on the bottom of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. And from here, at the upper right corner of the screen, you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on the line, and here simply tap on settings, and afterwards, when this page opens up, tap on security. Now here at the end, you will see the option with clear search history. Tap on it, and these are the things I've recently searched for. So if you want to clear all of this, tap on clear all. Again, tap on clear all. So once you have cleared your search history, you cannot undo it, and if you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you have searched for suggested results. So here tap on clear all. Now if you go back and again tap on the clear search history, now my search history is vacant. So that's how you can clear your search history on Instagram. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.